morning guys, and welcome to day 2, yes, of December. This is amazing. Today it's a new day. Actually it's almost 12, so it's not like a morning, but I woke up and I had a meeting that I had to prepare, so I was like very focused on doing this, and I didn't want to start with a video because I don't know, I feel so stressed. This is like insane. I need to work on these things. But yes, I finished, everything went fine, and now I will get ready because we will go to the mall with my boyfriend very quickly. He wants to run some errands and I will need to go to the supermarket, buy some small stuff, and this is gonna be for the morning. And in the afternoon, actually, I will meet one of my friends here. We will go for some coffee, and then I'm thinking of actually decorating and actually putting up the tree. I'm very excited. I think it's about time, and because tomorrow, like on the 3rd, it's my birthday, I want to have, you know, the home decorated Christmassy, because it's always very nice and it feels more festive, you know what I mean? So this is the plan for today. So I will get changed. I think I will let the sweater, it was saying today, actually, I say so many times actually, I don't know why, but it was saying that it will snow today. Unfortunately, so far no snow, we haven't seen anything. I took to, like in the morning, Luna outside this morning, and there was a little bit of it wasn't rain, but it was a snow. It was something in the middle, but unfortunately it didn't snow. It hasn't snowed yet, at least. But we are hoping, we are very hopeful that this will happen today, maybe not. I don't know also why there's such a big difference on my face and my neck, but thank God I'm wearing a turtleneck. Ooh, it would be so nice like this. Anyways, so yeah, this is the plan for today. I don't know also if I told you, but I was saying in the, like 2 days ago, that we started a puzzle, and Luna, I think she ate some pieces. Well, we finished the puzzle and we realized Luna ate 3 pieces. 2 of them I managed to, you know, cut here, but unfortunately 3 pieces were gone. But yeah, this is the reality when you have a dog and you want to build a puzzle. And I think what we will do is just buy a mat that you can build the puzzle there, and then you can roll it and have it out of the way so she doesn't go when, you know, the puzzle is on the table. So yeah, I will just finish my look, because at the moment I am with this nice sweater that is from Zara. I was wearing it like the other day, and I have some leggings, but I don't want to wear leggings now. Or should I? No, I will wear my jeans. And we go to the mall, and then we will come back, we will meet my friend, and we will decorate after. Oh, I'm so excited for the day. I am back. It was very nice actually going to the mall. It was a little bit of a break. Unfortunately, my the rendezvous that I had with my friend, it was postponed for another day during the week. But I'm very, very happy because actually outside it's snowing a bit. Can you believe this? Like if tomorrow I have my birthday, if tomorrow it's like there's snow on the ground, I will be so happy, so happy. But since you know everything is cancelled for the afternoon, I just finished eating and it's actually quite late. I cooked some one HelloFresh recipe, and I was thinking that maybe I can start preparing for the Christmas tree, like for the decorations for Christmas. And because I need to, you know, move around some things, maybe I can start now actually. And then it means tonight I can enjoy a really nice festive, I would say, or like Christmassy night, and it will be so nice. And tomorrow morning I will wake up and I will be like, oh my god, it's Christmas, it's my birthday, it's so nice. This is at least the feeling that I want to have. But yes, this is the plan. So maybe we should start getting ready for the Christmas festivities. I wanted to show you the snow outside, but actually you cannot really see it, unfortunately, because it's not that much, but it's there. Yeah, Luna, take it. So this is the area actually that we will put, well, our Christmas tree. So I need to move around this plant, it's called plant, and also this big mirror. And I was thinking actually to take this big mirror and have it inside our bedroom and replace the shorter mirror that we have. And this one we will put it in the kitchen, but I think this is gonna be the plan. Let's execute. So as you saw, we brought the tree, and also have laid down all the all the decoration for the tree. I have put also my ears, like this is a tradition that we have when we are decorating the tree. We're wearing like ears like this, and Luna thinks she's very curious about what is happening. It's her second actually Christmas here, and I'm very happy because she had good manners actually at like our first time, so now I hope she will be better. So the plan is to unbox the tree and first put all the lights and then put the decoration. Already we had the loss, I broke, I broke something, but it's not important, thank God, so I'm okay with this. I think this is all I want to say. I'm so excited. So let's get started. all glory. I am so happy with the result. I really like how actually the lights are looking, the decoration. I never put a lot of you know, small ornaments. No, I never put a lot of ornaments, and what I have is mainly like smaller items, except for like from this ball and like 5 other balls, I would say. But like for me, I really like to have the lights standing out. So yeah, this is the finished look, and then we have to, you know, like decorate a little bit more the rest of the house. And now I can have like a background with my Christmas tree. I love it. Luna is over here, you know, like she was sleeping, and then suddenly there was a tree with lights at our apartment. So yes, how exciting is this? So then I can officially say happy holidays, and I will just, you know, tonight I will clean up all the mess, you know, all the boxes, everything that we opened up in order to have this over here, and I will just have some dinner, maybe a hot chocolate. So I think I will close the video here. If anything else, I will just, you know, film it, and I will see you tomorrow. Have a wonderful night.